Question, are you sick of this? I know I am. Ta-da! So I have a cargo carrier, but I don't have access to my tailgate.
So we solved that problem for you. What we do is on Wranglers and Broncos, we mount this to your tire. The entire top portion of this rucRak is only 31 pounds. So you can open your gate, and then when you close it, we use this T-bar that's adjustable in and out, and these rubber feet which are adjustable up and down, so that when you close your gate, all the dynamic weight of this tire, this rack, and anything that you have in it is now resting on your hitch.